Welcome back again. In this tutorial, you will learn fix speaker not working on Samsung phone. You can follow this simple guide easily fix them. So let's begin. First, take your phone and clean up the speaker area. Right now, my phone speaker area is here. Depending on your phone, if you want to use, once you found it, simply clean up a smooth brush. After the cleanup is complete, you can check your speaker it work or not. However, if your problem is still, don't worry. Go to settings. After that, scroll down slowly, open sound and vibration. Here you can see at the very top three different options: sound, vibrate, mute. Make sure your phone is selected sound option. After it done, scroll down again, go to volume page. You can see all of the volume slider there. Right now my multiple volume slider set to decrease, so you can set the volume slider to increase. Right now this option is not be work. Maybe you do not disturb mode it turn on, so turn it off first. To do that, swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here you can find the do not disturb option. Right now this is turn on, simply tap on it to turn it off. After it turn off, you can adjust the all of the slider volume there. Now go back to the previous screen, then go back to home screen, open any app. For example, I am open YouTube. Then play any video and check your speaker work or not. Right now my speaker is work successfully. Maybe your phone also be work. However, if your problem is still maybe hardware related issue, you can contact authentic Samsung service center. Here you can easily fix this problem. I hope if you found this video helpful, please thanks for watching. Like this video, also subscribe to my new channel, guys.